Travel's making a comeback, and we're here to help you make the most of it. I'm Stacey Leska for Travel and Leisure, here to show you all the destinations that are eagerly awaiting your return, like right here in Lisbon, Portugal. Come with me as we explore all the places you can stay and play to have a vacation well spent. On your trip to Lisbon, only the best of the best will do. And that means starting your trip off by checking into the Four Seasons. Located in the heart of Lisbon, the historic hotel, built in 1959, is an Art Deco masterpiece. It's a place that blends its mid-century design past with modern touches thanks to a massive renovation project, and now includes works by local artists adorning every wall. Each guest room and suite in the hotel comes meticulously outfitted in stylish furnishings, crisp white bedding, and stellar views outside the picture windows. Beyond the cozy accommodations, the hotel also comes with a heated outdoor pool, a real luxury in Lisbon, a full-service spa, and a seasonally inspired restaurant that is sure to delight. Stay overnight in a superior room starting at $688 a night. When you're ready for a coffee and a breakfast snack, we've got the perfect place for you. It's called Boutik, and while you're there, you might be able to pick up a new surfboard too. Located in the trendy São Bento neighborhood of Lisbon, Boutik is part cafe, part surf shop, part gallery, and 100% cool. The cafe offers breakfast bites and delicious coffees all day long, including everything from pancakes to poke bowls, fresh squeezed juices, tonics, teas, and of course, plenty of coffee drinks like lattes, Americanos, and of course, straight up espresso. Grab a latte for $3. Keep an eye out for all of this beautiful tile work when you're walking around Lisbon, and stay tuned because you're going to learn more about it later. Getting to know Lisbon means walking around a lot. The best way to get to know this glorious place from one end to the next is by hopping on a walking tour. But not just any walking tour. Instead, head out with Humberto Bernardo, the top-rated walking tour host in the city for Airbnb experiences. On the 2-hour tour, Bernardo, a lifelong resident of Lisbon, takes guests through the hidden side streets and unique corners that both show what this city is really all about and will make you feel like a local too.
It's the climate, it's the people, it's the food, it's the soccer, it's the poets. This is where my grandmothers and my grandfathers lived, where my parents were raised, and where I was raised.
Find him on Airbnb experiences for $29 per person. Remember all of that beautiful tile we've seen throughout the city? This is the place to come to appreciate its rich history. If these hand-painted stunners leave you wanting to learn more, head to the National Tile Museum, which comes housed inside a 16th century convent that is worthy of a visit in and of itself. At the museum, guests can learn all about the city's history with tile, how it was made hundreds of years ago, and how the craft is being maintained today. There's even a stunning fresco painted on tile of what the city looked like before the earthquake of 1755, which will give you a whole new perspective on what life was like in Lisbon. Admission to the museum is just $6. Last but certainly not least, it's time for dinner, and there is nowhere more delicious for a bite in Lisbon than Cura. The seasonally inspired restaurant features Portuguese dishes with plenty of special twists thrown in to keep your taste buds guessing. While every dish on the menu is fantastic, we can't recommend the tasting menu more. Guests can choose between 3 tasting menus, and each menu is well worth the journey. And within one bite, you'll realize why this spot earned its first Michelin-star in 2021. Tasting menus begin at $95 per person. When you are ready, the museums, the restaurants, and of course, all of the hills will be waiting for you in Lisbon so you can come and have a vacation well spent.